Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of NSS. We are back with yet another video, and in this video, I Khushi Kakkar am going to talk about are degrees a thing of the past? Finished school, finished college, got a degree. Success? Not sure. Why has getting a college degree become the ultimate life goal of a person? Does a piece of paper really hold that much of a value? A wise man once said, and I quote, "The only problem with college is equals to success equation is that an academic education is not the answer for everyone." And I truly agree with the statement. Nowadays, the value of degree is decreasing and people are shifting their focus towards skill development. The thing that matters the most while hiring a person for a job is not the degree, but the set of skills they acquire. Students graduating from Ivy League colleges and holding fancy degrees don't have much practical experience. There are one too many case studies that aren't practical. Now, what is education? You're basically downloading data and algorithms into your brain. We learn so many things that we won't even use in the future. So what's the point of that? I'm not trying to say that degrees are completely useless. Instead, what I'm trying to say is that degrees aren't everything. A single degree doesn't define you. The world is now evolving, and we as human beings should adapt to the changes with time. There are a lot of people out there who cannot afford the school fees of their children, let alone university fees. There are a lot of universities out there providing free courses on websites such as Coursera, HarvardX, etc. The sole purpose of these websites was skill development, since a lot of people, especially during COVID, were trying to learn something new. I myself enrolled in a few courses, and I kid you not when I say that it was the best decision I've ever made. I've learned so much from them. These websites provide with all kinds of courses, be it business, accounts, coding, communication, etc. Nowadays, upgrade and Skillshare are also trending. There are so many college dropouts who made it to the top at a very young age and are still thriving in their businesses. One such example is of Mark Zuckerberg, who was named the youngest billionaire at the age of 23, and the fact that he doesn't hold any fancy-ass degree proves my point yet again. He dropped out of the college pretty soon, had talent, and the rest is history to all of us. Times have changed. What matters more is having the skill to do the job, not a certificate showing we've spent 4 years reading a topic. You guys must have observed that while applying for jobs or internships, the employer doesn't demand for a degree unless you're an aspiring doctor, lawyer, or an architect. What they ask for is experience. Suppose I'm hiring an employee and I have two candidates, one with an impressive degree but no prior experience, and the other with good experience and expertise but no degree. I, without any doubt, would choose the latter, because why in the world would I waste my funds training a fresher when I know I can hire someone else with great experience with the same stipend? Attending colleges has become the socially demanded path, and I totally get it. People start talking if they get to know that a child has taken a drop year or is dropping out for good. The first thing that comes to their mind is that they must have not studied enough in 12th and ended up not getting into college. But it's high time to acknowledge the fact that not going to college is okay. It's okay to not have a degree. College doesn't teach you how to think. You don't always find your purpose there. I would like to end it here by saying that dropping out is okay, but dropping out without any plans is not. Please do not drop out if you don't have any plans. I don't want all the mothers out there cursing me for convincing their kids to drop out of nowhere. Mark Zuckerberg sure did drop out, but he had plans. He knew exactly what he wanted to do and most importantly, how to do. If you guys made it to the end, thank you so much for listening. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.